What's going on, everyone? Got a 2016 GMC Terrain here. We're gonna check the cabin air filter. I'll show you how to get to that. It's gonna be behind the glove box door, so we're gonna need to remove that. And first thing we're gonna do is get the glove box past the stopper that we have right here. So what you're gonna do is kind of push the glove box in, push the stopper up and over, okay? Now the glove box itself will come off its hinge if we just pull it this way. Okay, it'll just pop right off. And this is just some plastic hinges here. It's made to do this, so you're not breaking anything. When we go to put it back on, we just snap it back down on there. The cabin filter's in here. We gotta take this door off right here. So we're gonna push these tabs up and lift the door open. Here's the cabin filter here. I'll go ahead and just grab the side of it. This one's gonna be pretty dirty, so we're gonna have to order it, but it's kind of hard to grab. Grab the side. Let's see if I can pull it out. There we go. All right. So this one is pretty super dirty. Okay. Gonna need to order it. I don't actually have one. I usually check these things and then I order them. That's how this works. If you need one, check down in the description box. I'm gonna have a part number there and a link that takes you to Amazon if you want to get a cabin filter. But yeah, gonna have to order it. And when we get our new one, we're just gonna replace it just like we took this one out. Okay. Okay. It takes a little bit of work to get that guy in there. Just close the doors up. Grab the glove box and put it back on the hinge. What we're gonna do is push down on it and it'll put it back on. And then we'll just close the glove box. We're all good. Hope the video was helpful and was. Appreciate it if you like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.